The 1111 portal. 1111 has spiritual significance. In the ancient Sanskrit, 1111 refers to dreaming, your dreams, translated to some area of happiness. Some area of happiness lies in the heart space. Everyone has the free will to make the conscious decision from their heart space, the experience that they want to have here on earth. The sign of 1111 is personal to you for your personal journey. There are no languages that cross dimensions. Numbers are the universal language, so you will get your signs through numbers most of the time, not in words. But we are at the 1111 portal, an energy focal point, a time to create the reality from your heart space that you want to experience. Another energy focal point. I guess it's time to enforce the power of intent. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on their evolutionary journey. The 1111 portal. On our journey, we might see the sign of 1111. Have you seen the sign of 1111 on your journey? This sign is specific to you and your journey. There is no meaning to 1111 because it comes from the heart space of the individual. We are all here on our journey on this planet to experience something that we want to either accomplish or experience. What did you come here to do? What are your dreams? The ancient Sanskrit referring to dreaming. What are your dreams? And let's make them become reality. So sometimes we will see the sign of 1111. And these are the signs, if it comes repeatedly especially, that you are on the correct path, your correct path for your journey. So everyone's journey is different, and they are here for different reasons and things that carry value. What carries value in your heart space? So everyone will have something in their everyday life that gives them great value, something they want to experience, something they want to accomplish, and it's going to be different for everyone. So the 1111 sign is to tell you that you're on your correct path. But the 1111 portal is a specific date. This is an energy focal point, very similar to the Lion's Gate portal. So as we set intent at the Lion's Gate portal, it is time to set your intent at the 1111 portal. These are the energy focal points throughout the year. And you can utilize this exterior energy and apply it to your everyday life. There is no right or wrong to how you want to apply this energy for your journey, but simply apply the power of intent. And by using one of these portals as a launch pad for something that you want to accomplish on your journey, use this extra energy and apply this extra energy to something that you want to focus your intent on and allow it to happen. So, understanding the power of intent, you can step forth and accomplish your personal dreams and aspirations for your journey. Why did you come here? So the 1111 portal is giving us great energy that is going to hit the heart space for dreaming, accomplishing your dreams. Remember, Light Warrior, free will is the law of the universe, and everyone has the free will to create the reality that they want to experience that comes from their heart space. So, the ancients knew the meaning of 1111, and now all of you, all of us, can apply this energy of the 1111 portal to some aspect in our everyday life. What are the things that you want to accomplish on your journey? Utilize these exterior energies and portals and use these energies and focus your intent. There are many energies in this universe, and if we are aware and conscious of these energies, we could take back control of our everyday life experience. So let's focus our intent during this 1111 portal to create great change. The great change can come within the individual in your everyday life, and this great change can come across the entire planet as we are all together and we are all connected. So, what are the things that you would like to accomplish on your journey? Leave them in the comments and share with one another, and focus your intent and focus the power of positivity amongst each other. And if we all come together and focus all of our energies, we could take back control of our everyday life experience from the heart space, just like they knew in the ancient Sanskrit. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of the energy of the 1111 portal. Use it to raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. Dear ones, I am Michael. We are the 144,000. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. Let's bring it all together, Light Warriors. Focus your intent for whatever you would like to experience on your journey. Apply these energies during the 1111 portal so that you can become the person that you came here to be. The power of intent. Override everything. Override the subconscious programming that has been placed upon us during the 1111 portal. Override everything with the power of intent. Victory of the light.